Hey guys, welcome back. Today I just filmed a little kind of get ready with me. Did my makeup. I don't really have anywhere to go. This is going to be worn just to go pick up Alana and stay around the house. I just wanted to sit down and film, so this is what I came up with. There wasn't much like straight up on the eye, you know, telling you exactly what to do. I think I'm going to do a separate video on blending. I'm also going to do a separate video on my eyebrows and on my lashes. Those things weren't in this video. So I do plan on doing a separate video on that. I would really appreciate it if you guys gave this video a like, subscribed if you're not, and let's just jump into the video. Okay, so to start out, I'm gonna do my eyes. I got this little bag at Ulta. I went and bought a couple new brushes from Morphe and some brush cleaner, and this bag for free, and it has a bunch of samples in it, and it has an eye primer. It's a matte nude eye primer from Ulta. I think I'm gonna try that. I usually just use concealer, but we're gonna try this. Gonna go in. It's really thick. Look at that. I don't know if you can see. It's just like, okay. Okay, you know, if the eyeshadow goes on this good, this might be a good primer, because it does cancel out a lot of my redness in my eyelids where it is a nude. It just has a weird texture, and I'm not used to that because I usually just use concealer. And if you're wondering how indecisive I am, I literally have 8 eyeshadow palettes sitting in front of me whenever I'm only going to use one. Okay, I think I'm going to go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This one is the Armed and Gorgeous, and it has the pretty like yellow and orange tones. If you see me out 90% of the time, that's the tones that I have on, so that's what we're going with. And to begin, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M513. I'm not gonna zoom in because it's just kind of like more relaxed, you know, kind of like a get ready with me type of thing. So we're gonna go in with our Morphe M513 and a little bit of Access, which is the like kind of mustardy yellow shade right here. And you don't want to set your base, your eyeshadow base, if you want a lot of color payoff. If you set it, it won't give it that tackiness to stick to. The pigment won't have anything to stick to other than powder, and the pigment won't be as pigmented. And we're gonna just kind of pack and blend that into the crease. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my MAC 217 and a little bit of the color Agent, which is this color right here. Get that on the tip of the brush. Tap off the excess. That's one thing you always want to do. You want to tap off excess. You never want to blow on your brushes because that can spread germs very easily, and you're putting these close to your eye, and you don't want to get like a sty or pink eye or anything. So you really want to make sure that you just tap off the excess and you don't blow on your brushes. We're going to pack that on the inner part of the eye. And you want to take your same brush that you used to put on the shade Access and just blend. I'm going in with Smooth Criminal now, which is like the orangey brown. I'm great at describing things. And we're putting that in the inner corner. This is a no name brush, just kind of a fluffier small brush. I like to keep my shadow more rounded because I feel like it makes my eyes look bigger, and I really like that. So now we're going to go in with the shade Coin, and we're going to use a flat brush and pack that onto our lid. Also, going in with your finger helps if you want to intensify a shimmery shadow. We're just going to go in and pack that on the other eye as well. Okay, now we're going to go back in with our the MAC 217, a little bit of Agent, and just kind of press that where the shimmer shade meets the outer corner. And I also want to go in with a little bit of Guilt Trip, which is more of a like actual gold from the palette, and put that just a little bit on the center of my eyelid. Ooh, that's so watered down now. Okay, all right, now we're gonna go in with lashes, and these are the Ardell 854 3D Faux Mink. I've never used these. I really like the Ardell Faux Mink lashes though. I know that they're good. So we're gonna go in, ooh, and I'm gonna put on this lash and okay, so I just fought with these lashes for entirely too long. I'm still not completely happy with the way that this one looks. I feel like it doesn't look right. It definitely doesn't, but we're going with it. Okay, and this is the completed look. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I just wanted to sit down and play with makeup. I have nowhere to go, so this makeup is just being worn around the house and to go pick up Alana from school. I really like the way that it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned some things. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video if you want to, if you know someone who would be interested. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.